those who survive can fulfill their destinies.
So, you want to taste the wrath of my blade? I shall give you a proper burial.
Battle 1. Fight!
2! Time to die!
Battle 2. Fight!
All right. All right.
Battle 3. Fight!
Your predictable moves are no match.
When two warriors cross paths, a battle must ensue.
So, you want to taste the wrath of my blade?
I love these do-or-die situations.
Battle 1. Fight! Battle 2. Fight!
Take this! Not yet! Here we go! Come over here!
Battle 3. Fight!
Not yet!
Battle 4. Fight! Ring out! Final battle. Fight!
I'll see you in hell.
The bonfire reflects in the warriors' shining blades and their determined eyes.
Prepare to fight to the death.
So you wish for an early grave.
Battle 1. Fight! Battle 2. Fight! Battle 3. Fight! Battle 4. Fight!
Disappear!
You win!
Your predictable moves are no match.
Countless warriors have cast themselves into battle for the cursed sword.
So, you want to taste the wrath of my blade? You're wasting time with your rhetoric.
Battle 1. Fight!
Watch this! Don't resist! KO!
Battle 2. Fight!
Watch this!
Battle 3. Fight!
Don't resist! Watch this! What are you doing? Don't resist!
Battle 4. Fight!
Playtime over! Don't resist! Don't resist!
Final battle. Fight!
Watch this! You
Not
win!
even the king of hell could stand against my blade.